Are you opening your present? You opening your present? Okay, let me help you open it. Let me help you open it. Here. You can open it all the way now. Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Is it your menorah? Yay! Here. Let's take off all the wrapping paper. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, is that fun? Is that fun? Woohoo!